Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing my hair care routine. I've got a really nice feedback from you guys after my last video about my hair. There I was mostly talking about how I style them. So after that I was asked about my hair care routine in general, and today I'll show you. I was blonde for about a decade, and I will try to put photo right here if I find something. And now I finally got my natural color back, and generally I'm just happy with my hair right now and didn't want to change something for a long time. I cut them pretty short last year, and now I'm really into long hair, so my plan now is grow them up as much as I could. I think talk about healthy, beautiful hair need to be started with things you take into your body, and I want to make a disclaimer, I'm not a nutritionist, and I just want to share with you what I do and what works for me. I like to do myself avocado pudding for breakfast. I call it Beauty Boost. Natural fats from avocado are really good for your hair and skin, and I also add a scoop of collagen powder to make it ultimate beauty meal, and it's also actually really tasty and just easy to do. I also can take biotin from time to time. It really helps with hair, nails and skin too. As I said, I'm trying to grow up my hair now, so to speed up this process I'm using this scalp scrub from Cassette. It's sea salt scalp scrub. I got it in my Ipsy box and ended up buying a full version. Scrubbing your head helps with microcirculation, and this one also leaves this frosty minty feeling in your head that helps even more. I also like to put my fingers through my hair like that and just rub it a few times. It really works like a massage for your head. I'm doing this before I wash my hair, and the next step will be shampoo and conditioner, and here I don't have anything special really. I really like this OGX combo with kukui oil. I tried different series and always come back to this one. Also, little trick that I used, I only washed the roots and let my ends be washed by flowing soap water. Basically, your ends, unlike your roots, aren't really dirty and don't contain any excessive oils. And usually ends are dry and need all moisture you can give them. So if you have different hair type than me, maybe it won't work, but I definitely recommend you to give it a try. And the next really important thing for me, when I squeeze my hair after washing, I'm not twist them. I just gently squeeze them like this without twisting. And maybe this is not a brand new information for you, but I do know that, and I used to twist my hair a lot and it damages it much more. My next step is Kisu primer. I put it on my wet hair. It helps to reduce drying time, and also, it's propolis infused, so it's not only for styling, it's actually helping with your hair quality. I use just a tiny drop of it because my hair is pretty thin and I don't want to weight them down. If I'm not in a rush, I let my hair air dry, but I'm using blow dryer as well. It's like 50-50 situation for me. And then I just style my hair as I usually do. I'll put a link right here. You can check it out if you want to see more detailed styling process. And honestly, I don't use any heat protection. Maybe it's bad, but I just don't do it. As a finishing touch, I add some oil to my ends and just a little bit all over to like smooth the frizz like that. There are 3 that I currently have, and I just use them, depends on my mood. And that's basically it. I don't use any additional products or hair masks on a regular basis. If you know some nice products and you think I need to try them out, let me know in the comments. And feel free to ask any questions. I'm happy to chat with you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you will have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in the next one.